Hello, how are you today? Probably way better than me since I have a whole crew of people trying to seize all my assets. And they're also trying to up all my music royalties so I don't have enough money to take their asses to court. But it doesn't matter. I'm going to show all you guys, regardless of anything. Let them take all my shit. I don't care anymore. I know this ain't the kind of content you want, but it's the only kind of content I got right now because all these people are stopping me from going on tour, making music, and they're trying to tie everything up so they don't get caught. So, here's where we're going to start. I went to BMI the other day. So, this financial company I was with, Wiles and Taylor, never give me access to anything, right? So, now that they're gone, I was like, I'm going to go to BMI, and I'm going to see who has had access to my BMI account and who still has access to it. I'm going to kick them off, and then I want access to it. Well, guess who had access to it? Somebody from my management team. What do you know? And also, so an old manager and Wiles and Taylor. What do you know? Well, isn't that crystal damn clear? Well, who has access to Upchurch ENT? The old manager. Well, I wonder who owns Upchurch Enterprises that is attached to Upchurch ENT. This is from the clerk's office, dude. Dwight P. Wiles, the guy with Wiles and Taylor. So those two morons are the only ones who had access to the BMI stuff, and now the BMI, all my music royalties are tremendously up because they don't want me to make money because they don't want me to take them to court. I've been recording this on OBS, refreshing it for the past 3 days, and somebody is still adding and changing shit. Just to give you an example, look, they're giving these people 6,666%, which is weird. Justin Stowers, 100%. Ryan Upchurch, 50. What's weird about that is these Wiles and Taylor were paying bills between Cynthia Sherwood, my ex-lawyer, and Just in Time. I've never been to court with Just in Time or anything. Why the paying stuff for Just in Time? So when I simply asked a question, I said, hey, what is going on with all this shit? They quit and sent a disengagement letter because I'm asking about this exact thing. So then obviously I replied, I'm like, hey, why are you disengaging now since I'm asking you questions about my business? So why would the manager and the financial company quit because I'm asking very simple questions? Probably because my very simple questions are a big problem to them. Not to mention, wasn't there a storage unit just recently opened in Upchurch Enterprises LLC? I think there was. Not to mention, I caught these motherfuckers red-handed at my house trying to put a whole ass merch company in my pregnant wife's name. Deerdorf, your turn. So, Deerdorf, where did you go at Wiles and Taylor's to sign these papers to switch that house into your name? Because your house is under Blue Moon Entertainment, isn't it? It is. Something about Blue Moon Entertainment LLC. By the way, TBI, I suggest y'all go down there and check whose email is attached to this. So Blue Moon Entertainment is registered agent is United States Corporation Agents, and then United States Corporation Agents is registered agent is Northwest Registered Agents, and Northwest Registered Agents is registered to Registered Agents. Are you serious? Now, keep in mind, these heads who were attached to the BMI thing, per the person at BMI. The person at BMI has no dog in the fight. Okay? They're just looking at who's on the account. It was Wiles and Taylor and my ex-manager, right? Okay. Well, whoever attached Mud to Gold Entertainment to some of these tracks or whatever, watch this. The Northwest Registered Agents or whatever, the registered agent is Registered Agents, right? Mud to Gold Entertainment is also Registered Agents, Inc. The same address and everything. Now look at this. The principal office address and the mailing address is in Memphis. So when you look up this address in Memphis, look, 5810 Shelby Oaks Drive. Look what it is. It's an attorney and law center. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. Who's a dumb hillbilly now? Now that everybody has seen that, let's watch them seize all my assets. I wonder why they're trying to seize all my assets. All right, so to all my sleuthers that helped me find out what they did on the last email and the official Upchurch website that led back to Bobby Naklicki, I got another challenge for you. I need y'all to help me figure out who owns or whatever, like who owns Upchurch, ENT. Ha ha! Motherfuckers, you ain't fast enough. So, I just took a picture on the computer in my lawyer's office. It says that Wiles and Taylor was doing something with Upchurch Enterprises LLC. Okay. They don't work for me anymore. I've already went through this. There's a letter of disengagement that I've already showed everyone. November 19th, 2025. I've already looked at it so many times it's burned in my brain. Okay. I had an issue with them with the merch. They kept like saying all this stupid shit involving merch. Didn't make no sense. I filmed them saying it. I have all the documents. Y'all need to start making some sense.
Treating me like old news, cause that's what they gotta do. But Bubba be a tank, I'm always topping up.
I'll tell you this, you motherfuckers ain't making it past me. I can see y'all motherfuckers from a mile away. I can smell you. Pray for yourself, brother. Should have left me alone.